It's time to test out some Mega Drive on the X9 portable system. It's time for SEGA Megadrive on the X9 portable system from China. Alright, let's continue playing DJ Boy. So, I don't know if you can hear it on the camera, but I must say, the music is not bad at all. The game is running fine. Ow. Time for some Pac-Mania. Oh man! Give me the power! As you can hear, the music is good. Wow, this thing runs up to the remote. Yeah, this one runs up to the remote. Whoa. Alright, the first game. Let's test out Aero Blaster. Love myself some shoot 'em ups, so I want to play Skip the shit. To be honest, already, I don't like the frame rate. It's not playing very smooth. The sound is great. Oh, you can just hold the button. Oh, that was more like an explosion of power-ups. Oh, same story again. I must say that the game is not running perfectly, but it is very playable this way. I love the sound effects of the game. Ooh, ooh. Oh, it's raining power-ups. Whoa, I'm not the only one who having rockets. You got shooting rockets. What the heck? Rise from your grave. Do 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 do. Oh, and of course he just hit me. I have really no clue where is my jump button on this thing, so that's a little bit of a bummer. It's not mapped. I would say kick him in the face, but it's not possible because he have in the face. Oh, what? He's holding his head in his hand. Crank up the volume, man. No glitch or any problems. It's running really smooth. So it's depending what kind of game you're playing. Some games are a little bit of, let's say, having some issues of little glitches or frame drops, but this one works just freaking fine. No, of course I knew he was going to get me from behind. I know it sounds wrong. Bitch, come here. I'll make you my bitch. Give me the power! That is so annoying of this game. Whoa, I can do a flying kick. Oh, you want it? You want to have it? Here you have. Alright. One thing is for sure, this game got some big issues. Big frame drops, sound is horrible, unplayable! As a Sonic fan, my ears are bleeding. Nah. So the funny thing is that if you look at Sonic 1, this thing runs way better. So these are the first generation of SEGA games, and I'm getting the idea that the software is running way better with older games. So Sonic and Knuckles was more of the latest games released on the Megadrive. And as you can see here, of course it's still not perfect, but it's very good playable this way. This is running like shit, Sonic 2 on the X9. See, I know you have Sonic 2 that runs like shit. Yeah, now it's running a little bit better, but you're getting the point. So for the final conclusion about the SEGA Megadrive part on the X9, and no, it doesn't work fine. It's a little bit of a problematic with this thing. As you can see, games like Sonic 1, Alternate Beast are running fine and are very much playable, but Sonic, Knuckles, Sonic 2, oh my god, it's to cry for. It's horrible. So yeah, you need to consider for yourself, can I live with something like this? Yeah, understand this X9 is a multi-platform, so it supports a lot of systems. So yeah, it's a cheap device. These things are pretty damn cheap, so you cannot expect, let's say, the emulation of power of an Android/GPD. So yeah, let me know what you think of this. I want to thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Goodbye bye.